go ahead and get started. I am going to be working on this bug bounty today. So I need to refresh my memory a little on what's going on. But one thing that I really need to do is I need to make it so that this does not use this bottom sheet fragment, because I had originally set that up as a hack just to get some of this other UI stuff working, and it definitely needs to stop that. So alright, let's figure out how to make this its own proper fragment and show it. I believe in here in the camera plugin is where I'm doing the open camera, open multi-camera, which does show this bottom sheet fragment. So I wonder what happens if I just make it a fragment. Now it doesn't have a show. So that's kind of a problem. So, and there's also no setup dialog and dismiss. So I have to figure those things out. But what kind of fragment can it be? What kind of fragments are there? Fragment activity? Fragment activity. Let's do a little looking around. Okay. Can I use this? Start activity from fragment. This looks interesting. What? Fragment activity. Start activity from fragment. Okay. Ah. So this might be what we want. Okay. Setup. Okay. Let me just comment out some of this stuff, and let me see what we can do here. So we need to set the content view somehow, some equivalent of that. Let's see what overrides we have. On create, that might be what we want. Get view. On create view. return camera create view context is gonna be maybe the container. Why is this not happy about? Nullable. Oh. Let's see how do we make fragment views? Fragment factory, fragment container. What's a fragment container? I don't know. Fragment factory. Might be helpful. Instantiate. Possibly might be helpful. Your activity must extend fragment activity. Whoop. Get support fragment manager. Alright, known direct subclasses. Maybe we should see if any of these seem appropriate, eh? Details, dynamic, nav, edit text, error support. Vertical grid support fragment. Row support fragment. List fragment. One of these might be helpful. Lean back vertical grids. I don't think lean back is what I want. I forget what lean back is. Okay, list fragment. What's a list fragment? Yeah, I don't think that's actually what I want. Maybe none of those are interesting. That's fine. Let's see. Okay. Fragment manager. Can I make it just show me a I think I have to make a fragment activity. Which is not exciting. Because I don't really want to make a whole activity. I'd like to just show the fragment. Somehow. Maybe I should see what the old Chat GPT says. See if it comes up with anything helpful. In the meantime, I am not sure totally what to do here. So, okay, in our previous example, we were saying make the camera view, then set the content to the camera view. So here we're gonna make the view. It's this. Okay. It needs a context to do that. Can we give it the inflator? Does the inflator have a context? Yeah. Okay. Can I just... What is this? Super? Do I need to do this? I'm not sure. So let's say we just do that, huh? Okay. Now, when we call our thing here, start activity from fragment. Cannot resolve. Can I not pass a null intent to those? Non-null. Oh, the intent must be non-null. Okay. What intent can I use? I don't really need one, do I? Like... action... camera button? Can we just do that? Oh, I mean, if it... I'm not using it for anything, so... we'll just do that. Oh, 0. So can I pass it? No. Interesting. Well, I'm not thinking this will probably work, but let me just do that. debug on here and see what happens, I guess. Let's see. What is this thing here exactly? I don't remember. It's a class extends plugin. Activity launchers? Trigger activity callback. Start activity for result. Get activity. Okay. So let's do this. Let's try that. All right. Okay. Ah, I have a real transaction. Okay. Whoa. It worked. Hey, look, it's our happy little friend again. Wow. Cool. Wait, can I control the camera here? I don't think so. Oh well. Alright. Beautiful. Can I exit this? Apparently not. Great. These are tiny. Look how small those are. Those are way too small. Whoa. Hold up now. Okay. Things are coming along nicely, though. That is good. Now I don't need to use that bottom sheet business. That is a super good. Yeah, return inline. Okay. Let's rename this. This does not need to be called bottom sheet fragment. We will call it the camera fragment. Camera fragment. No. Wait. Cancel. Wait a second. Does this mean... Maybe I don't need to use this at all then? Yeah, because I can do this in here. I can say on create view, and then we don't need to use this bottom sheet fragment at all, which is good. Let's just double check and make sure this works also. Then we can get rid of that. Removing things is almost always a good thing. Alright. Now, back button doesn't work. Whoops. But that's fine because we're going to add an X in there anyway. To close. Let's see here. I have a little mock-up that I can look at. Should put it in this folder. I can open it over here too. How do we open it? Gradle sync in progress. Apparently Control-Shift-O does some kind of build. It's not what I wanted. Alright. File. Open. There we go. This. There we go. So this is what we want the UI to look like. And let's see. So it needs a little X in the top left. Let's work on that first. You know what? I'm not going to delete it quite yet. I'm a little paranoid. Can I do multi-touch on this emulator? Because my multi-touch should work now. Alright, where did I have that? What is it doing? I have, no, that's not what I wanted to do. The scale gesture detector. This. This. Current zoom. So that does seem to be working. Cool. It's doing something. I don't actually... I need to, like, set some kind of zoom of the camera, right? How was I working on this before? No, it wasn't that. Camera... I think I found it. Okay. Uh-huh. This is looking like the right thing. Let's, reload this music here. Hopefully it restarts. Restarted all the way to the beginning. That's no good. Alright, hold up. I can fix it easily. There we go. Good enough. So, I have... determine max zoom level. Yes. Okay, then set the current zoom and update the update camera preview capture request. Okay. Get zoomed rectangle? Do I need to do that? Let's see. I have some code for this. So like active array size? What's active array size? You know, did it just die again? Instantly dead. You know what? I'm gonna try something to see if it works better. Oop. Hopefully that fixes it better. Right, active array size was max zoom. First get the maximum zoom level and the active array size. What is this? Max zoom. Where did I put this? Okay. Max zoom. Current zoom? Where's max zoom? Oh, I have a method for it. Hmm. Ah. So, when I initialize the camera, I need to do some stuff. Uh-oh. Active array size. And that one equals this. Characteristics. Let's go for this. We'll do that. Oops. First. All right. Where do I actually make that open camera? It start preview. Hold up. What's happening here? Alright, start preview. Create capture request. Okay, capture request builder. So hopefully this works then. Set zoom level. Well, I didn't actually do that, did I? Okay. Zoom. Why can I not? Multi-touch isn't working anymore? What? What the heck, dude? Okay. I was just using it. I was holding control and it was doing multi-touch. Now it's not working. Oh, there we go. That was weird. Why'd our little happy friend show up suddenly like that? Something's not working. Maybe the max zoom is... Get max zoom of the camera ID. Where was I using max zoom? Maybe I'm not using it. Yeah, I'm not using it. Okay. I don't need to do this, right? I do need to do it for this one. Oh, I shouldn't mess with this stuff. I'm just gonna keep doing it the way it was. Alright. I'd really like that zooming to work, but I'm not sure if I can test it on here. I might have to give it a test on my real device. So let me see if I can get that set up. Alright, go into my device settings and I'm going to turn on my... is it in system? Developer options. Debugging. Need to switch Wi-Fi networks real quick. Okay, now Maybe it already shows up. Don't know why it's not working now. Should be. Alright. I'm just gonna run this and see if pinch to zoom does anything, including it might crash. I think it did something. We're gonna restart the app. I think it did something. It sort of zoomed in. It did not. Okay, well, I'm gonna ignore that anyway. Because in this mock-up that I have, says there should be these zoom buttons. So let's focus on the zoom buttons anyway. And let's restart my debug on emulator. So I changed the size of these thumbnails, and hopefully they're not so tiny like they were before. Yeah. Maybe it could even be bigger. Well, glad to have you. Happy to answer any questions if you have any. Yeah. Alright. Let's get back to putting this X in the top corner here. It's gonna be in the view up here. Yeah, so it is not a game. I am working on a bug bounty for CapacitorJS, which is a framework to let you run like sort of web tech, like JavaScript and like web views as like more native Android apps and iOS as well. But right now I'm just working on the Android side of it. So this is like enhancement to the camera to allow it to take multiple pictures. And here, I'll show you like the default behavior of Capacitor. If you take picture, it just opens the camera. Then you do, okay, I took a picture. Then I say, looks good. But I can't do more than one. So this feature request was that they wanted to be able to take multiple pictures. So I'm working on that. And I got this mock-up from the people who requested that feature. So they want like this X in the top left and some other stuff. I have like sort of thumbnail is doing what they want. Not quite. Need to work on some of this other stuff. And yeah, but progress is coming along pretty nicely. I think I want to add the X though, like first thing, because right now there's no way to like leave this view at the moment. Like usually back button does something, but in this case it doesn't, so that's why I think I want to add that first. How do I actually want to do it? It's gonna be at the top. So if I just like add a button, all right. Set text X. Can I set the text color easily? Set background color. Invisible. View dot invisible. I don't think these are any of the ones I want. I want like colors. Yeah. Which one of these do I want? White. Transparent. Perfect. Maybe I need set foreground color. No. Alright. Set, need to do some layout params somehow or other. Relative layout. Layout params. Okay. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Wrap the content. And then add some rules. Line left. Stop that. Stop that. Why is this have extra parentheses? We don't know. I think in Java it doesn't really matter. Let's just add it and see how it looks. Close button, set layout params to the close button layout params. Let's see if it shows up in the top left. Little syntax error. Yeah. Okay, but I want the text to be white. don't I? No. Color dot white. And you know, let's turn this off because I feel I want to be able to see how big this button is. It should be small. But it looks like it's not. It kind of looks like, yeah, for some reason it's a little big. We want the size to be bigger too. Some kind of DPI. And what was I doing in the camera plugin? I was doing some kind of DPI stuff, right? No, it was in here. Display metrics. Where'd my view go? No, this is the wrong one. What the heck? I have a feeling this is not what I want the size to be, but let's just see what it looks like. Layout params, width, height. So the height is okay, but the width is no good. Whoa, now that's too big. What should it be? I don't know. Smaller. That's for sure. Whoa, that's too small. That looks appropriately sized. Take a look at this image here. I mean, their X is looking nicer than my X, though, isn't it? Because it's not really an X. It's like some kind of emoji or something. Maybe I should check if an emoji looks better. Can I do that? Wonder if it'll show up all right. Yeah, that looks okay. And now, if the background is transparent and the text, can I set the text alignment? Let's try this and see if that makes it look alright. Yeah, looks okay. I'd like a little left margin on it, though. Let's see. How do we add a little margin? Is it in here? I don't know. I am setting margins in my thumbnail thing, right? It's in the layout params, okay. And I was setting it like this. Okay. That's fine. Parent? Oh. Oh, I was doing it right here. Nice. I don't know if it makes sense to reuse that. Yeah, Java coding's pretty easy to learn. Sorry, I got distracted by the code. Java coding's pretty easy. It does a lot of things for you that you don't need to worry about, which is pretty friendly to new programmers. Like, it does have garbage collection, so that's a big one. How do I finish? Isn't it finish? Finish? How do you close a fragment? Finalize? I don't think that's it. How do you close a fragment? Yeah, Lua is a scripting language. I think its syntax of Lua is a little weird. I don't think it's like the most approachable language, but yeah, I haven't done much Lua. I hear you on, like, sometimes stuff when you're just getting started, you like start to make like a mess and then things start not working and it's like so much work to try to fix it. If you wanted to start with a scripting language, I probably wouldn't recommend Lua. Most likely, you'd want to start with something like Python is probably what I would recommend for a scripting language. just because the ecosystem on Python is so huge for, you know, so many like tutorials out there. Yeah. And it's really hard to figure out what's going on when you're like just trying to figure everything out and you don't really know what things do. How do I just like stop a fragment, like close a fragment? Oh, okay. Guess I could do that. What is this? Activity. Am I setting the activity? I am setting it. Okay, cool. Yeah, are these your emojis? They're pretty good. Anyways, I do think there's quite a lot of overlap in art and programming. What kind of activity is this? Activity. Should be a support activity, shouldn't it? Oh, actually, maybe that's should be a support fragment. Android X fragment, app fragment. Yeah, that's cool. Someday maybe I'll have some emotes. We'll see. I just want to get the fragment. Get the fragment manager. Why does this say this? Begin transaction is deprecated. Fine. Remove this. I wonder why it's deprecated. Required. Okay, so maybe does fragment not have a get activity? Let me go look at this fragments. Fragment. Fragment does have a get activity. Returns a fragment activity. What? Why are there 2 scroll bars on this website? Oh, a terrible interface. Oh, I see. Well, it's still kind of annoying. Android X fragment. Yeah, this is the one I'm using. Okay, so it should have a get activity then. Like, do I really need this? Fragment activity. And what am I using the activity for again? Just that? Get support fragment manager? Ah, I see. Begin transaction, remove this, commit. Maybe I'm not using this. Alright. So now this should do a thing when I click it. It says this possible null pointer exception. But let's hope it's not null, and let's see if it works. Hey, nice. Now, they also wanted it to prompt like with a "Are you sure?" So how can we do that? You have like a dialog fragment. I think dialog fragment is a thing. Nope. Uh-huh. Let's do display dialogues of dialog fragments. Okay. So we just need to make a dialog fragment. What should we call it? Yes, no dialog fragment. And it's gonna extends dialog fragment. And then we need to do onCreate dialog. And say that yep. Set message. Okay. We'll just do it like that. Set positive button. Whoa, whoa. Wait, what? Char sequence? Whoa. Do I really... Can I really not... It's annoying. Oh, okay. Hold up. Dot new builder. That's why it wasn't working. Well, whatever. We'll just leave that there. Okay. So that should be it. On click listener? I'm not really sure what to do here. Dot create. Okay. What is this one? Set message, positive button. Okay. I don't know. Let's rename this. Yeah. Okay. Now we can use this in here. And we can say whoops. Is this proper? Yeah, okay, cool. So let's say confirmation dialog fragment. Get child fragment manager. How do I like get the result though? On create, on dismiss, on cancel. Dismiss. Confirm. You must confirm. Alright, now can I get the on dismiss? Set. How do I listen for the results? Get. I don't know. Let's just see what it does. Oh, jeez. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is happening here? Alright. Yeah. We, like, collapsed it somehow. Alright. Let's see if we get that confirmation dialog. Well, hold up. Because it immediately dismissed it. So I need to be able to get the result of, like, okay. Are you sure? No. But how do you get the result from the in here? Create the dialog, show the dialog. Use the fragments. Yeah. And how do I get the actual result of it? The most? How do I get the result? Like, this is not modal? Get dialog. No, no. Get. Look at all these getters. How do I just know if it was... Did they pick yes or did they pick no? On cancel? No. That calls it. That's not what I want. Yeesh. Alright. How do I just get the result then? Use set target fragment, and then when your dialog is finished on activity result, on finish. Really? I wonder if it makes more sense to do it like... What if we just say... Can we just make one in here? Why is it not happy? Oh, new. Gotta give it the new. Oops. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. It was good to chat. Hope you have a nice one yourself. Guess it should do nothing. Let's try that. It's a little dirty, but you know what? I think that's okay. Oops. All right. That works. Beautiful. So now our button actually does the thing it's supposed to do. That's great. Alright. I need, a better, instead of this, like, flip, it just says flip. We need a better thing. We need some kinda something similar to this little icon. I wonder if we can just use the same thing I did and, like, pick an emoji. Maybe. Symbols? I'm looking through the emojis. Like, can we do this? Flip. What does that do? Kinda. But I don't know if I want to do that. I think Android does have some kind of icons I can use. Let me check. Add buttons to your app. Yeah. Drawables. We'll leave it. Flip camera button. Set drawable. Set source. image. There must be something in here. Set drawables. No. That's the ones I already was looking at. That's not it. Set drawable. Must have some way to do it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna need to figure out how to set it, but is there a drawables? Super button. The super button. Oh, image button. I see. Yeah, so I can make it an image button instead. Context? Image bitmap. Image icon. How do I do the R? Where's R? Is that it? Drawable? Okay, let's see if we have a good one here. Button default small button dialog drop down radio. Why don't we just call it button star? How do I do this? Set image draw a bowl. Doesn't take it an int. Create from ID. Okay. We don't want to use this emoji. And also, I need to see what the default ones are. How can I see that? Like if I make a new new layout. Let's just do this. let's just open this. Where do you view the XML? Where is it? View XML. It used to be very easy to view the XML. Split? Alright, cool. Source? SRC. Drawable. Alright. Yikes. How do I get this image in here? I thought there was like a bunch of default ones that I could use. But I guess I'm not sure. Maybe I need to get a PNG or something. There was like a project. Noun project. I think this is the one that I've used in the past. I guess I could probably yeah, maybe one of these will work. Get this icon. Wonder if I already have an account. Let me see here. I feel like I already have an account here. Maybe I don't. I don't remember my password. Let's get them to email me my password. Alright. I do have an account here. Just need to enter a new password. So, let me make a new password here for this site. I don't really know what to file it under. Doot, 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 doot. Reset my password. Log in. Okay. I am a human. It wants me to prove. Alright. Let's, cool. Get this icon. Basic download. Continue. PNG. I'll take a PNG. Let's see here. Well, that's not good. Because I don't... That, like... text on it is not good. Maybe noun project is not the place to go. I am going to BRB, and then I will figure out how to get a good, decent icons for this. Alright, back. Let's see, camera's looking blurry. I think I can fix that real quick. If I go to the camera settings, if I change focus. Uh-oh, I think it killed it. Oh no! I killed it. See if I can fix it. Nope. Maybe I need to unplug the camera and plug it back in or something. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, jeez. Usually fixes it if I do that. Well, I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and go no cam mode. Hope nobody minds. And yeah, let's go find some better icons. Because this one's no good. Icon finder. Yeah. One of these might work. Copy PNG to clipboard. Okay. Does that work? Can I use an SVG though in Android? Vector asset. Oh, so maybe I can. Alright. I'll get a SVG of it then. Let's do that. Can I add something? Vector asset? Clip art. Oh, maybe it's already in here. That would be perfect. Flip camera. Ah! Amazing. Can I just use it? How do I use it? Image button background equals. Let's just see if I can just use it then. Maybe I'll just try that. Yeah, F you noun project. But apparently I could just search that way. Where's the rest of them? Build. All action. Social places. Clip art. Wait, where'd the camera flip one go? Huh? It has disappeared. It was here before, wasn't it? I totally just had it up on here. That's really strange. Oh, but it's a good thing we have the baby changing station one available. Alright. So I think I should make that an image button. Where is it? Flip. I think it should be an image button. And then we'll set this. I just don't know exactly how to get the image. R. Ah. Can I not do this? Oh, hold up. Maybe I really do have to import it. Camera switch rounded. Filled, outlined. This one doesn't seem different. None of these seem different. Is this it? That seems like a different one than I was using before, doesn't it? Camera. Switch. This is not the same stuff that it was showing me before, is it? It was this other one. This is weird. Android app source main assets. Doesn't have an assets folder, huh? And why is it not showing me this camera flip icon anymore? I swear. It had different ones before, didn't it? It's very confusing. Ridiculous. Android material icon set. Yeah. Okay. How do I flip? SVG? Okay. Hmm. So I guess I will grab that file. And put it in capacitor plugins. Doesn't these capacitor plugins, they don't have any assets though. Where is it supposed to be? It's like build source main assets. We'll put a folder in here. Public assets. Public? Okay. Wow, maybe that actually works. And we can like set this to a transparent background and maybe it looks halfway decent. Can I set the color? Color filter. Wonder if this will make it white. Cool. Alright, now I just need to find more of those camera. Whoa. I need like the little photo button, you know, the little dot. This little dot. Record. Maybe that's what I want. Let's go look at this again. A big button. Kind of like that, isn't it? I mean, that's not actually what I want, is it? Fiber record? Screen record? Yeah. What is that little icon called? None of these seem like what I want. Excuse me. None of those are what I want. I just want to know how to get that fancy little circle button. We will go with this one for now, I guess. Customize. Optical size. Uh-oh. Let's go. Panorama fisheye. That's not what I want. None of these seem correct. Lens. You know, I think for now we're gonna go with this radio button checked. It's like kind of the closest. No. Wait, what? New vector asset. Have to move that one. Let's see. New vector asset from local file. Yeah, wait, what? It gave me an XML. Huh. I don't know why it's upset. What's it upset about? Has no declaration based drawable. Can lead to crashes. Okay. So I don't want to do that, right? For some reason, when this site is showing me Android, it says use this radio button checked. Adding vector drawable to layout. I don't know. It's being weird though. So I'll just get the PNG. I mean the SVG. What was it calling it? 24 pics? We'll call it 24. Alright, now I should be able to easily import it. No, not here. It's not great, but I think for now it'll do okay. Alright, they're too small, but they look okay. I'm gonna go for this instead of my X button. Oops. Yeah. Can I set it bigger? Scale X. See what happens if I make it big. Double size. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, man. Well, especially since my camera stopped working, I think I'm gonna stop around 10 minutes. In about 10 minutes. Because my camera's dead. I hope it's not dead forever. I think it's just because I'm streaming and stuff. Oh, look at that beautiful camera picture. Okay. What else were we doing? It would be good to have this little bar down here. Let's see. We should have like a check mark too, right? Oops. I want to make these other buttons bigger too. Let's just see how this looks with the bigger buttons. Okay, this should be relative layout. It should be I want to on the left, I think. So this looks okay, but it needs not these margins. Let's just left margin it a little and see. So what's the deal here? Align, where's my take picture button? Center horizontal. Align parent bottom. Align parent bottom. Align parent left. Bottom margin. Things are looking pretty good. We need like another button on the right, don't we? Margins. Adjust the margins. We should set some sort of on-click listener for it, but not just yet. Whoa, what happened? Oh, shoot. Copy-paste errors. They do be happening. Alright. That should be fine. Cool. Doesn't do anything. And the last thing we want is maybe a little black bar at the bottom, I guess. Yeah. Margins. Just gonna have the same margins all around here. Alright, we want like a black bar at the bottom. Really know how to make like a black bar. But I have to like also shift this camera view up, don't I? Yeah. So it's like a rectangle. How do you... Android... You draw a rectangle. Draw view? Shape drawables? Gotta pay for this one, so I guess we're not doing that. No. Whoa, hey, somebody appeared. Hello, Danny. Just working on some Android stuff. I'm working on this bounty here. If you're still around. Let me see if you're still in the chat. Yeah. Working on this bounty. Unfortunately my camera decided to bug out, but that's okay. We can still code. I'm trying to figure out how to make like a black bar because I want this stuff down here in my camera to have a black bar. Because that's what most cameras do. And, yeah. I don't exactly know how to draw a black bar. Lots of different kinds of views and things. Let's see here. Maybe we can look in here. View. Button. Widget. Widget. Okay. Any of these seem helpful? These do not seem helpful. Zoom button. That could be helpful for the zooming, though. I wonder if I can just, like, set the background, like, make a view here that holds those three. And then set the background to it, to black. So, okay. The texture view. So we can add this relative layout, right? We can make sure we set it to the bottom. New. Match parent. That's the width. No. Yikes. Is this the width first? Oh my goodness. Yeah, width first. Okay, good. Wrap. Height is going to be wrap content on this one. And then we want these buttons to go in there. Bottom bar. And the flip camera button and the done button. Oops. All the way up there. These should all go in here. Excuse me. Add the bottom bar to the relative content. Okay. Then this guy is height is going to be adjusted, right? I don't know. Let's see what it looks like. That doesn't look good. Has disappeared. Is it because I didn't add any rules here? Yeah. Where's my texture view? What is this? I need to add the layout. Texture view layout, add rule. Layout. Nope. Relative above. I don't have any of those anymore. Like that. Oh, Phooey. Should be showing up in there. What? Music is not going. Video is dead. Oh no. It's not looking good for the stream today. But I'd really like for this bottom bar to show up. That would be awesome. And then I would be so happy to end it there. I gotta get some food. Stream's all messed up. Here, let's just seek some random place in there. Oh, why is it not showing this? Maybe I will just switch these all to match parent. Wait. It shows something for a second there. Yeah. Why is it showing up very briefly and then disappearing? Because the texture view. Wait, what? Set surface texture listener. Yeah, okay. Is it not the right size for some reason? It seems not quite right. Fill parent, match parent. What if we just say 100? 200? Is it actually gonna listen? Let's... Ah, yes. Okay. So for some reason it's too big, because it should be letting this be down here and it's not. maybe we should say just set this to like static height, and we can put this back to match parent and see if it shows up. It wants to fill the whole thing, but why? Add rule. Above should work. Let's set it to add rule, relative layout, align, parent top. See if that helps at all. No, it just wants to squash it down. Shouldn't be this difficult to set it to a certain size. It's because it's like the full size, isn't it? Like whatever my size is when I open the camera. Preview size. What is this being used for? Set default buffer size, preview size, height. We just do that. That didn't do anything. Why is it not doing anything helpful? It's weird. Linear layout of black bar. First add the bottom bar, then add this other one. Do I have to set something to, like, somehow get the texture view to be able to shrink, you know? Linear layout? Maybe we can switch it to a linear layout, huh? We can have a linear layout of the, like, two things, doot and doot, and then relative layout for the rest of it? I don't know. Image view wrap content is what I have, isn't it? I did change it, but it doesn't do anything when I do that. Uh-huh. I think I'm doing this right, but it's not working. Why does it disappear when it shouldn't? Man. Let's, do this. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Did I not set a view ID? Oh, shoot. I think that's why it's not working. Try it again. Now my texture view is not showing up. Oh, jeez. Let's go for 200 height and see if... Oh. Alright. I need to update the okay. Film strip should be above the bottom bar. Hopefully that doesn't try to cool. That's cool. It seems messed up on the front camera. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, we have some work to do. I don't really know. But, okay, so apart from that stuff, we need to add the little X's, which shouldn't be too hard, and the little zoom buttons. Pretty good. And I think it would be best if I probably wrap it up here. And I will work on it more tomorrow. So I think it's coming along. So feeling good about what we have right now. Alright, well, anybody watching, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.